Gentlemen, hope you're having a great and fantastic day. Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, I want to show you guys a new combing technique that can alleviate that wavy and untamed beard. And definitely stay to the end of the video. I got a few announcements and add-ons to the channel I want to tell you guys about. So this past week, I went on vacation. I went to San Diego, and within that time, my beard went through some elements, right? It went through the salty sea, it went through the air, it went traveling. I didn't have a lot of my products, I didn't have a lot of my tools, and with that being said, my beard has suffered a little bit of wavy and indentation going on from bad habits, not having the right things I need to attend to my beard. Now, within the past 6 months, I've kind of come up with a new technique that I've been doing that has been alleviating some of that wave and some of that uncontrolled portions of my beard that I think can help you guys out. Now, we're definitely gonna need a comb or a brush of some sort. Now, I dabbled on this topic, definitely exfoliating your beard, and this is bringing out and flexing your beard to just alleviate some of that indentation, some of that wavy, curly beard. So that's kind of in the same premise that I'm trying to achieve here, okay? I'm taking my brush, and what I'm doing here, instead of going all the way out and bringing my beard out, I'm actually gonna start parting it into the side like I would the top portion of my hair, and I'm picking a spot and I'm rolling it out to the side. So like right here, I'm gonna pull it out, and then I'm gonna pull this to the other side. Now, I know this looks weird, but for the past few days, I've applying this technique and it's really helping out the curly, the frizzy, and also the indentation in my beard. And this is what I'm trying to tap upon in that video of flexing out your beard, is that we need to put our beards in different direction, sometimes in our beard growth, because if we keep stagnant in shaping our beard in the way it could be pressing in with our hands, it might be doing battering rolling in our combs or brushes, using a comb and indenting into our jawline and creating this bad wave, kind of an indent into our beard. And if we put our hair in different directions, just like the top hair of our head, if we move it in different directions, the beard likes to stay a lot straighter. So when I come back and I bring everything back where it needs to be, it should lay a lot straighter. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my brush, take your comb, and I'm putting it right here on my chin, right here on that, right side of my chin. And I'm dragging it to the side. So if you have your comb, just pull it to the side and then pull this to the other side. And I'm just trying to give my hair different direction, different shapes. So it's just in a, doesn't know what to do. So all it can do is just lay straight. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna pull this to the side. And then now I'll just bring it all down. We should have a relatively straight beard. And this is something that I've been trying, and this is something that I always try to tell you guys to try new things. If things are becoming stagnant, try new styles, try new techniques. You never know what you can do when you switch it up. Now, thanks for waiting so patiently. Now to the announcements. Now, the weekends, I wanna start doing live streams Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays, I wanna do YouTube in the afternoon, and Sundays, I wanna start doing Twitch again. So let's shoot for Saturdays around 6 to 7 p.m. Same with Sundays, 6 to 7 p.m. on Twitch, okay? So I'll either do a post on Instagram, I'll do a shout out or some sort, so make sure to follow me on all that social media, maybe Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. That way I can announce something to you guys know what's going on. Hit that notification button. That way you guys can be up to date. But I do want to start streaming on the weekends, about an hour to two, have some fun times, have a drink, have some popcorn. That's what this channel is all about. So definitely try that technique out. You're more than welcome to pull out the hair dryer, put in some product, oils and balms. You never know what you can achieve when you're just trying something new, all right? So like always, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!